Okay, today what we're doing is we're building up upon some of the things that we've already been doing with the skill class here. So for pretty much today's activities, you're going to be given drawings and you're going to be asked to create a skilled uh, drawing of that original. So for example, when we look at these four shapes here, A, B, C, and D, uh, if we look at question one, it says, hey, draw a skilled copy of either figure A or B using a skill factor of 3. What that means is that we're going to create a scaled copy, which is 3 times the size of A and 3 times the size of B. So if we go to our next slide here, right? And what you're going to see is like, hey, key dimensions going to increase by 3 times, right? This top was 2 units, now it's 6 units. This was 3 units, now it's 9 units. This was 3 units, now it's 9 units. So the key units increased by 3 times. So this scaled copy is 3 times the size of the original. The original, and 3 times it is this. Same thing with right here. If we look at this right here, we see that this part right here is 1, and then became 3 units. If we look here, this is 2, became 6. 3 became 9. 3 became 9. And so you see that everything has been, this is what it means by, hey, create a scale factor of 3 copy. So when I give you your work today, that's what you're going to be looking for. Let's go back to the previous question here, right? Go back to slide 1. Okay, so the next thing it says, hey, for C and D, it's saying, hey, use a skill factor of 1/2. Well, essentially what we're saying is multiply by 1/2. Or make it half the size of this original. This is the original. You can make something half the size of it. This is the original. Make something half the size of it. So we go to slide 3. And we see our original 1. And we see that we went from 7 units down to 3.5. 6 units down to 3. If we look at our large number 2, it was 6 by 10. Now it's 3 by 5. And you can look at key dimensions. You see that everything get cut in half. Everything get cut in half. So today, what's going to happen, I'm going to give you a separate assignment. You're going to have an original shape, and you're going to be told either to double it or half it or triple its size. And I'm going to actually do shapes where you can actually use shapes, and so you won't have to be drawing out lines. So you can get into habit of inserting shapes. But if you draw it by lines, though, it is what it is. All right. And that's my instruction for today. Take care out here.